Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type link symbol in Microsoft Word document. So click on insert symbol, more symbols, and font select this one, and type this character code E167. So you have this character code, just select it and insert. So you have this symbol. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.